Hello, I am Jigesh and welcome to Art of Sound. When you walk in here, it's not about speakers or sound systems, it's about an experience. An experience where sound transforms into emotion. Every detail, every design choice, every piece of technology in this space is curated to make you feel the purity of sound. Close your eyes. Let the music take over the world. The depth, the clarity, it's not just audio, it's art. At Art of Sound, we believe luxury is not seen, it's heard. So come, experience the true art of listening at Art of Sound.